Heading into the Grizzly. Oh, no fast pass. Fun little ride.
Way more fun than I thought it was going to be.
That was a good little wood coaster.
Yeah, that was a nice little wooden coaster.
Yeah, it was. That was a good time. It looked like a lot of it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just got off Grizzly here at King's Dominion, which is their wood coaster, all wood coaster.
Yeah.
And we just found out it was built in 1982, which I'm surprised actually because it looks like a lot of it has been retracked lately.
Yeah. It's very fresh.
Yeah. I'm telling you what, so this is the first time I've ever been on this that I can remember, even though I was here when I was young. We rode in the very back. Man, it was fun. It was really, really a good time.
Super fun coaster.
We got whipped over those hills and there was a lot of air time. And the cool thing is here, if you're familiar with Kings Island and you know the Beast, you know the trains are like the yellow, red, orange, like the kind of gradient, they kind of fade into each other. The trains on this are like red, yellow, orange. So I think, you know, it's like an homage to the Beast. But it was fun. It was so much fun. We had a really good time on it, and I would definitely ride it again. I highly recommend it. It's sort of like a throwback to old school wood coasters, which it is, since it was built in 1982. But we had a really good time on it. I had fun, and so far, most of the coasters here have been really great.
Yeah.
I have no complaints.